Start. 1987 Ford F-250 XLT Lariat, Medford, Oregon. A clean 1987 Ford F-250 XLT Lariat with only 47,076 miles. This well-maintained pickup features a gas engine, automatic transmission, and brown exterior. The interior is spotless, including the upholstery and dashboard. The bed liner is intact except for a small exposed area. Starts and runs well but may need carburetor work. Clean title. Two, 1988 Ford F-250, $3,000, Kennewick, Washington. This 1988 Ford F-250 offers a 5.8-liter gas engine with a 5-speed manual transmission. The odometer has rolled over but reads 47,000 miles. Features include a working AC that may need servicing and a rear emergency brake that was disconnected. Clean title and ready for a new home. Sosh 3, 1985 Ford F-350, $4,900, Meridian, Idaho. Dependable 1985 Ford F-350 with a 5.8-liter V8 Edelbrock carburetor and 4x4 drivetrain. This crew cab has a 3-speed automatic transmission and is ideal for utility purposes. A base model with no power features, but a clean title and reliable performance. SOT 4, vintage truck, 1300 Spokane, Washington. An affordable vintage truck with a 302 two-barrel engine, C6 automatic transmission, and 85,656 miles. Runs and drives well, though a vacuum leak may cause bumpy idling. This truck recently completed a 100-mile trip without issue. Clean title. Five, 1983 Jeep J10, $9,750, Port Orchard, Washington. A collector's 1983 Jeep J10 in good condition with an 8-foot sprayed bed, winch, and new brakes. Rewired recently and fitted with collector plates. Driven by the second owner, this 4x4 pickup is ready for adventure. Clean title. Six, 1986 Ford F-250 XLT, $8,500, Oregon City, Oregon. A fully loaded 1986 Ford F-250 XLT with dual tanks, 460 CI engine, and a fifth-wheel setup. Comes with a Lariat interior, new stereo, and multiple mechanical updates. This truck has been inspected and deemed fit for decades of service. Clean title. Seven, 1989 Chevy Cheyenne 2500 $5,000 Phoenix, Arizona. 1989 Chevy Cheyenne 3/4 ton pickup featuring a 5.7-liter V8, 123,900 miles and R134 AAC. Runs well and offers a clean Arizona title. This reliable long bed truck is perfect for work or daily use. Eight, 1989 GMC 3500, $8,000, based in Wyoming. A rust-free 1989 GMC 3500 4x4 with a 7.4-liter V8 engine, 4-speed manual transmission, and only 127,000 miles. Includes a new clutch, flywheel, starter, and fuel pump. A hard-to-find gem from Wyoming's high desert. Nine, 1989 Dodge Truck 2500, $8,300, Riverside, California. This 1989 Dodge 2500 pickup is powered by a V8 5.9-liter engine and an automatic transmission. With 126,104 original miles, the truck is in good condition, registered, and ready to drive. Ten, 1988 Mazda B2200, 2500, Stockton, California. A reliable 1988 Mazda B2200 with 200,000 miles. This 4-cylinder pickup is clean and runs well, but is sold as is due to smog issues. Registration is overdue. Clean title. (1982) Dodge W350 Club Cab, $6,500 Omak, Washington. Rare 1982 Dodge W350 Club Cab with a 360 Ci engine and automatic transmission. Updated drivetrain, new brakes, tires, and shocks. A solid classic truck with modern upgrades. (12) 1988 Ford F-150 4x4, $500, San Jose, California. A project-ready 1988 Ford F-150 4x4 equipped with a 300 Ci inline-6 engine, manual transmission, and a rust-free body, being sold as parts or a whole truck. (13) 1985 Chevy Silverado C20 $7,000, Elk Grove, California. A 1985 Chevy Silverado C20 powered by a 454 big block engine. Features power windows and a straight body. Ready for a collector or classic truck enthusiast. '14 1986 Ford F-250 diesel, $3,500, Portland, Oregon. This 1986 Ford F-250 diesel is a solid work truck with a 4x4 drivetrain, extended cab, and 170,000 miles. Features new parts such as a fuel pump and alternator. Clean title. 15 1982 VW Rabbit pickup, $3,800, North Phoenix, Arizona. A unique 1982 VW Rabbit diesel pickup with a newer engine and many recent updates, including tires and a radiator. Comes with a spare engine and transmission. Clean title. 16 1981 Chevy pickup, $4,400, San Francisco, California. A well-maintained 1981 Chevy pickup featuring a 6-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and a clean title. A classic model in good condition, perfect for enthusiasts.